No, and that is not surprising as Polish Jews and Christians were kept apart by religion and did not intermarry. Jews who wanted to marry Christian Poles had to leave the Jewish community and usually convert to Catholicism, so there are some Poles with Jewish ancestry, but the reverse is extremely rare. Poles could not convert to Judaism and the rabbis did not permit mixed marriages within the Jewish community. As a result, Polish Jews and Christians are quite different genetically. Looks like the question was changed. The original asked, "Are ethnic Poles and Jews genetically the same people?" To which I answered, "No." Ashkenazi Jews, i.e. the Jews who lived in Germany and Eastern Europe, including Poland, are a Semitic, Levantine Middle Eastern population, indigenous to Israel. They are genetically more than half Middle Eastern, with the rest being Greek Central Italian. Poles are a Slavic East European population. They are genetically related to other Slavs and East Europeans. Ashkenazi Jews lived in Poland at one point, but they are still a distinct population from a completely different part of the world, hence, diaspora. Ashkenazi Jews and Poles are not the same people. No, ethnic Poles are considered to be primarily descendants of Slavic tribe of ancient times, but most people are more mixed than they wish to believe.